Alright, so we'll teach you Elaps corallinus today from the Elapidae family, and it is prepared from the cobra coral snake, as you can check out this picture. So basically you can see the hierarchy of this remedy from the Elapidae family, and Elapidae family, they couldn't attack until unless they are provoked. So if you won't provoke them, they won't attack. After provocation, they will only attack. That's the basic nature of the Elapidae family. It's the same family from which the Naja belongs to, from which the Cenchrus belongs to, the beautiful family, and it is prepared for the venom, as we all know. So common name is cobra coral snake. Major mental peculiar you can check out is the biting of finger during sleep. So child, especially the children or the adult, they used to bite the fingers during sleep. There is lots of desire to play with the grass. So children, when they will go to the ground, they will play lots of them will play to the grass. That's a huge sphere of action in eyes, ear, female genitals and stomachs. So you can check out certain sphere of action as well. So Elaps is more or less a peaceful snake, as most of the snakes of the Elapidae family are actually is, and attack only when provoked. There is a feeling of being raped, which is psychological as well as physical. So lots of feeling of being raped, harassed, tormented. This type of feeling could be there, and you can compare it a bit like sepia state as well, where he is very indifferent to the family matters. Red delusion, as if he is beaten, he is neglected from the community, rejected from the community, and he is very indifferent type of people. He will sit down at the corner of the house, and he won't even like the sight of other people. That the type of indifference he want. You can check out the totality. Delusion, hallucination, beating he is. So he thinks that he is beaten. Delusion, rejected, ostracized he is. Rape being aggravate or ailment form. So he thinks he continuously raped. That becomes the ailment form. Delusion, neglected he is. So he continuously feels the neglection. Hide oneself, desired to corner it. Wanted to hide. Don't want to get into touch with the community. Company aversion, to avoids the sight of people. So you usually avoid the sight of people as well. Company desire happen when something terrible is going to. So sometime whenever something terrible is going to take place, he will, he desires company at that time. Otherwise, he will hide down at one of the corner of his house. Biting finger, sleep in. So he used to bite the finger in the sleep. Playful, desire to play in grass. So he is very playful and desires to play in the grass. Moving objects seem to be backward and forward and to fro and towards noon. So as soon as the vision, what it looks like, as I told you earlier, it has a good sphere of action in visions as well. So what is the vision? Objects seem backward and forward and to and fro towards the noon. So during the noons, there is a visionary like that. Visionary delusion like that. It's a good sphere of action in ophthalmic system as well. So visions, they have the spots like fiery, sometimes fiery spotted like type of vision they will have. Now ears, they have the sphere of action, ear, glue and sticky. So there is something gluish and sticky type of discharge, especially in the morning. Ear wax, hardened black. Lots of hardened type of wax type of ear wax it is found that, especially in the Phatak repertory. At that time, a single remedy rubric of Phatak works miraculously well. That was my personal experience. Also Kent as well. Epistaxis, walking while. As soon as you walk, as soon as you start walking, there is lots of epistaxis from the nose. Pain, root, extended to ear on swallowing. So on swallowing, they pain in the nose extending to the ears on swallowing something, food or water. Mouth, bad taste, coughing before. So before the coughing, there is something of bad taste in the mouth. throat external pit burning aggravated by heat, ameliorated by cold. So burning in the throat which is aggravated by heat and ameliorated by cold. Pain bursting uterus as if had burst. So there is pain in the uterus, bursting type of pain is in the uterus, and there is sensation as if it will burst down. Menses painful dysmenorrhea, blood, black waste. So menses there is painful dysmenorrhea with blood and black. That type of rubric is there in FATAC repertory. Lots of very good sphere of action in female genitals as well. You can prescribe on the, especially most of the snakes, they are anti-hemorrhagic. So you can prescribe this remedy in female genital complaints. Stomach pain lying on abdomen or blood. So stomach pain, as soon as you will lie on abdomen, it will ameliorate the pain. Stomach burning extending to duodenum. So there is burning pain in the stomach which extend to duodenum. Elapse with the single remedy. So these are the two books. You can also have this book. You can contact to me nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.